Hello everyone, welcome to Solidworks workshop. I'm your instructor Sayed. In this workshop, we'll be covering three of the major tools used in the industry: the surface modeling tool, the sheet metal design tool, and the mold design tool. The goal of this course or workshop is to teach you the most used tools or function in the industry, familiarizing each participant with these tools and commands. The course is designed in a hybrid manner where we'll be learning the individual features and functions first, and then we will learn a process-based training where I'll be introducing you with an example. By utilizing this example, I will illustrate the processes that's needed and the tools that is needed to complete this whole case study or case design. You will learn the necessary commands, options, menus in the context of completing the design task. In the surface modeling tool, we'll be learning the surface extrudes, surface extends, trim things, swept and swipe. If you have noticed the list of tools under the surface tool, you will see some of them resemble same as a 3D solid design tools. In general, this is true. Surface modeling gives you the ability to build only the outer visual represents of an object's exterior and its contour. In a solid design, we not only build the outer exterior but also the inner designs. In a prototyping type of work, surface modeling is one of the important tools that you're going to need. Then we will also learn the sheet metal design. You will see there are a few terminologies that are being used in the tools. We will talk about those before going into the design methodology. And then we have the mold design. Once you have created some prototypes, you'd like to build them in real life case scenario and see how they work out. So mold design is one of the methods you will and for that, to design the mold itself before building the prototype, you need some certain amount of tools and also perform some type of analysis. We'll talk about it more in detail in week 3. So this is going to be the timeline. On the week 0, which is this week, we will be learning the basics of the sketch. So I just want to cover the tools of the tools which are the basic sketches that will be necessary for the next few weeks. On week 1, we will be covering the surface modeling tool. On week 2, we'll be covering the sheet metal design, and on week 3, we'll be covering the mold design tools. Every Tuesday, I'll be publishing the recorded sessions, and every Thursday, we will have an online session. We will use Blackboard Ultra for the online sessions. The first half of Thursday online sessions, we will complete an example starting from week 1. Then for the next half of the class, we will be answering any questions you might have. If you are facing any trouble or if you're not understanding one of the functions of any tool. If needed, we can schedule additional online meetings and extend our meeting times also. I will also assign 3 homeworks. These are optional, you don't have to submit them. This is just for your practice and to gain more experience with the tools will be exposed within these 4 weeks. Thank you for participating in this workshop. If you need any help, just reach out to me.